This channel is making $4,500 a month according to Social Blade, generating a little bit over 1 million views a month with simple football quiz videos that look something like this.
New Total Football Quiz Challenge. Guess the player by his club transfer. Let's get started. First question.
You might be thinking to yourself, this needs some advanced video editing skills. I can't even edit a cat video, let alone a football video. But let me tell you, it is much easier than you think. You'll just have to watch this video till the end, because this is not just another video. This is going to be a complete course. I'm going to show you how to start a YouTube automation channel in this football niche completely from scratch without spending a single penny, even if you're a complete noob. I'm going to show you how to make similar videos to theirs using the free video editing software CapCut. This is what I was able to come up with in less than 15 minutes.
Welcome to another video of Guess the Player. Let's get started. Player number 1. Cristiano Ronaldo.
I'll give you all the resources you need to make the video for free, as well as how to create high-quality thumbnails. This is going to be a complete course from start to finish, so make sure to stick till the end, because if you don't, you'll be missing out on a lot of valuable information that could make you some passive income. So, let's jump right into it. First, you'll have to create a YouTube channel, which is very easy to do. Go to youtube.com/account. Click on Add or Manage your channel. Then click on Create a Channel and write the name of the channel. In my case, I'm going to write Fun Football Quizzes. Check the box below it and click Create. Now your channel is created, but you still need to customize it. To do so, you'll have to switch your Google account to the Google account of the new channel. To do this, simply click on the little profile picture at the top right corner, click on Switch Account, and select the channel you just created. Then click on Customize Channel, and it will direct you to YouTube Studio. Click on Branding, and I will show you where you can add a profile picture to your channel. To do this, we'll simply go to Leonardoai, click on Launch App, click on Image Generation, and then enter this prompt. I'll leave the prompt in the video description so you can use it for yourself. Change the aspect ratio to 1.1 and click on Generate. Pick the image you like the most and download it. Now go back to the YouTube Studio tab. Click on Upload, select the image you downloaded, and click on Save, and click on Publish. Then go to ChatGPT and input this prompt, which I will leave in the video description. List 20 popular European football players and their transfers, including the years of each transfer. ChatGPT will give us the transfers of each soccer player and all the details we need to make our video. In this example, I'm going to cover only 2 players, but all you need to do is repeat the process for each soccer player. Before we get into creating the video, we'll have to collect all the resources we need, which are the voiceover, background image, player image, football team logos, background music, and the silhouette of a football player. I'll leave all the files I'm going to use in this video in the video description so you can download them for free. So what's left for us is to make the voiceover and get the logos of the soccer teams. We need a voiceover for the intro of the video. Head to 11 Labs, I'll leave a link in the description, and pick a voice that you like. There's a library where you can find many voices to choose from, but you'll need to pay $5 a month, which I'd highly recommend if you're thinking about taking this seriously. I'm going to pick this voice and add this script. Welcome to another video of Guess the Player, then click on Generate. Once the audio is generated, download it. Now we need an image of the player and the soccer team logo. Simply go to Google Images, type the player name plus PNG, then pick the image you like, right-click, and click on Save Image. Define background music on your own. Go to YouTube and search for Sports Background Music No Copyright. Pick the one you like, then go to the URL and add pp.before.com to be taken directly to where you can download the music as an MP3. Make sure to credit the music owner in your video's description to avoid getting a copyright claim. To find the soccer team logo, you'll have to do the same. Write the soccer team name plus PNG and download it. To remove the background, go to pixelcut.ai, click on Background Remover, and just drag and drop your image. In a matter of seconds, it will remove the background. Then, just click on Download. Lastly, we will need a logo to include in our video. Simply go to this website. I'll leave a link in the description. Type in the name of your channel, then click on Get Started. Next, pick the industry of your video. Choose the type of logo you prefer, then pick the color theme and click on Continue. Enter your channel's name again. Click Continue. Pick some symbols and choose which logo you prefer. Then click on Customize. Take a screenshot of it and take it to pixelcut.ai to remove the background. Now that we have all the materials we need, let's get into creating the video. This next part of the video is extremely important, so pay close attention. Launch CapCut on your computer and click on New Project. Then import all the files we need. Add the background video, background music, and the voiceover audio. Then, click on the background music and lower the music volume. Next, click on the background video, select Adjust, and increase the saturation. Click on Animation and select Zoom to. Go to Effect, search for Portrait Open, add it to the very beginning of the timeline, and shorten it. After that, add a text layer under the effect layer. Change the font, set the color to red, add a white stroke and a black shadow. While your text layer is selected, click on Animation and select an animation from the animation panel. Then, add the logo and the rest of the voiceover for the video. Make the text layer shorter for the intro, copy and paste it, and change the text to "Let's go." Next, make a cut in the video background, add a transition, and add another voiceover saying "Player number 1." Add the green screen animation, remove the green screen by going to Remove BG. Check the chroma key and pick the green color on the screen. Then, size it and position it accordingly. Add the player silhouette and select the slide-up animation from the animation panel. Scale it down, position it properly, click on Mask, pick the horizontal mask, position the mask where you want, and increase the feather. Paste the text layer, change the text to "Guess the player by their transfer," and position it accordingly. Add each football team logo and the arrow to the timeline on top of each other. Scale them down, position them properly, add the arrow between each logo. Select all the arrows and align them, and then do the same for the football logos. And add the slide-up animation to each layer one by one. Add a text layer, pick a different font, and add shadow. Hold Alt and drag the text layer to make a new copy of it. Add the year of each transfer based on the details provided by ChatGPT. Once this step is done, select all the layers and make them a bit longer. Move a bit forward, add the image of the actual football player, position it properly, and select Slide Up Animation in the animation panel at the beginning. Add another text layer on top and add the name of the football player. Then add a voiceover saying, "Player number 2." Select all the layers for the first player with silhouette, hold Alt and drag to make a copy. Shorten the image of the first player and add an animation to the end of the layer to make the image disappear smoothly. And do the same to the text layer of the football player's name to make it disappear smoothly as well. Replace the football team's logos by simply adding another logo on top of the existing logo image layer in the timeline. Replace the football team logos and the year of each transfer. Now, you can use it as a template. Move forward to where the timer is out, add the image of the next player, and add his name. Once you're done with all the players, click on Export and export the video so you can upload it to your channel. If you'd like a deeper, more detailed tutorial, let me know in the comments. Now, we are going to make the thumbnail, which is going to look like this. I was hesitant about giving this away for free, but since you're going to subscribe to the channel, I'm going to share my secret on how to design eye-catching YouTube thumbnails. Our thumbnail has 4 main elements: a background, a soccer player image, text, and one more thing you might not have noticed: particles. To get our background, text, and particles image, go to freepik.com and search for comic background. These are the backgrounds used in their thumbnails. Pick one you like that you can download for free. Then search for sport text template. On the left side, click on PSD and then on Free and click on Search. Choose the text you'd like to use in your thumbnail and click on Download. Lastly, search for Particles Overlay and download one that is not too distracting. Now, go to the files you downloaded. Right-click and click on Extract Here. Then, go to your browser and visit Photopea.com, which is a free online alternative to Photoshop. Import the PSD file of the text template you downloaded, double-click on Place Your Design Here layer, and a new canvas will open. Add the text you'd like to have on your thumbnail. Change the font to your liking, size the text, and position it in the middle. Then, press Ctrl+S to save your changes and go back to the main canvas. Disable all the other layers, keeping only the text layer visible. Select the layers that are still visible and copy them by pressing Ctrl+C. After that, click on File in the top left corner and select New. Then, double-click on YouTube Thumbnail. Then, drag and drop the background image, the soccer ball image, and the soccer player image, positioning them as you see fit. Paste the text you made by pressing Ctrl+V and then press Ctrl+E to merge all the text layers. Make sure to place the merged text layer on top of all the other layers, then size and position it accordingly. Once you have everything arranged and are satisfied with the look, click on File, scroll to Export As, and select either PNG or JPG to save the thumbnail. And now, when you start a football channel and start making money, I owe you a 50% cut of every dollar you make. Just kidding. Now we've made the YouTube channel, the logo, the video, and the thumbnail. Everything you need to start a successful YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this content helpful. See you in the next video.